This is 6.1, scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph that shows the relationship between two data sets. The two sets of data are graphed as ordered pairs, and we put them on a coordinate plane. So the table shows the ages of 10 adults and the number of gigabytes of cell phone data used in each month. Make a scatter plot of the data, identify any outliers, gaps, or clusters. So here we have this table, and I'm going to make ordered pairs using these. So I'm going to put them together. Age is going to be X, and data used is going to be Y. So after I have all my ordered pairs, I can plot them, age on the X-axis and gigabytes on the Y-axis. And then it said identify any outliers, gaps, or clusters. So an outlier is a point that is way far out, not close to anything else. So this one is an outlier. A cluster is where I have a whole bunch really close together. And a gap is a gap. So there's a space here between. So I can say the outlier is 31.8. The cluster is from 25 to 37. And the gap is from 37 to 50. We have a few types of relationships of scatter plots, and we have a positive linear relationship, and that is where the points lie close to a line, and as X increases, Y also increases. So this looks like it has a positive slope if I were to draw a line through it. We have a negative linear relationship, and that is where the points also lie close to a line, and as X increases, Y decreases. So this line that I would draw through it would have a negative slope. A nonlinear relationship means that the points lie in the shape of a curve. It could be a J, it could be like a U, it could be some kind of squiggle, anything that is not a straight line. And then we have no relationship, and this is where the points do not show any kind of pattern. So there's no shape to it. It's all random. So we have, the table shows the high school and college GPAs of 10 students. What college GPA do you expect for a high school student with a GPA of 2.7? So I'm going to take all of these points and I'm going to plot them where I put high school along the x-axis and college along the y-axis. And then I drew a line through what looks like to be the center of those points. Get it as close as I can to as many of them as I possibly can. And when they're spread out, try and go as close as I can to the middle. And then I'm going to use this line to see if I have a high school GPA of 2.7 and I go up and find that on the line, what college GPA matches with that? And that's about 2.5. So we'd say, looking at the graph, you can expect a student with a GPA of 2.7 in high school to have a college GPA of 2.5.